Turn your artwork into products with Adobe Express, mug, posters, and more. Now, if you're an artist, a digital illustrator, a watercolor painter, a photographer, a graphic designer, your portfolio is full of work that could be on products that people buy. Prints, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, posters, stickers. There's a proven market for artist designed merchandise, and the infrastructure for selling it has never been more accessible. Now, Adobe Express combined with print on demand services makes the path from I have this artwork to I sell this on products straightforward enough to set up in a single afternoon. Now, this tutorial is going to cover the complete workflow, preparing artwork in Adobe Express, applying it to product mockups, and connecting to print-on-demand fulfillment. Now, what does Adobe Express do in this workflow? Adobe Express, that you can find on Adobe's own website, handles the design and mockup side of the workflow. It's Adobe's simplified browser-based design tool that includes product mockup templates, professionally photographed product images with placeholder areas where you place your artwork. Now, the mockups are going to generate photorealistic previews of your artwork on mugs, posters, phone cases, tote bags, and other types of different products without needing Photoshop or any type of professional product photography. Now, Adobe Express also goes ahead and handles all the resizing and the formatting requirements for different on-demand platforms. Now, that ensures your artwork meets the resolutional requirements for each product type. Now, to start things off, you can come over to Adobe's very own website and you can click on Get Adobe Express Free. Now, once you go with that, as you can see, it starts loading things in and Adobe Express starts working in. Now, once everything is done, what you're going to do is you're going to get into your artwork. Now, before placing your artwork, obviously, you are going to want to create the account. Now, you can either use a new email address, continue with Facebook or Apple. I'm simply going to use my Gmail because it's much faster with the onboarding and much more streamlined. Okay, so once we go ahead with this, simply click on continue and it will be taking you straight into it. Now, once you're in, as you can see, Adobe ID is going to start creating itself for you. That doesn't take a lot of time, so just give it a few seconds and you should be done and loaded in. Now, as I said, before placing your artwork on products, you're going to prepare it for print. Print requirements are different from screen display requirements, with product printing requiring high resolution files, typically around 300 dpi at the intended print size. Now, if your artwork was created for a screen display at 72 dpi, it needs to be scaled appropriately before actually printing. Now, in Adobe Express, you can open your artwork file or even import it according to yourself. All right. So, to start this off and import your file work, it depends on you on the dimensions you want to print your product area on. Now, to get all of the upscaling and gigapixel AI, you can enhance things as well through this. There's different types of tools that you can use depending on you. Now, in Adobe Express, the best part is templates. Okay, so we can go over to templates right here. And in the template section, you can choose the type of mockup you're creating. So we could have mug, you could have poster, you could have tote bag, and you could even have a phone case. So I'm going to go with mug and just search that over here. And it's going to start giving us different mockups for the mug template. Okay, so you can come over mug. You can even write mockup right in front of it. And once you write mug mockup, as you can see, it's going to give you different types of designs for the mockup, and you can pretty much implement your design on any of these. Okay, the template library includes professionally shot mockup templates with different types of placeholder areas. So you can pretty much select a template, like let's say this one, and click into the artwork placeholder area by customizing it. You can upload or paste your artwork into the placeholder, and Adobe Express automatically fits the artwork to the placeholder area for you. It's like Canva AI if you've ever used it. Okay, so make your changes, add your things into it, and your mockup is going to be rendered. Now, the mockup renders in real time, showing how your artwork looks on the actual product. You can generate multiple mockup variations, different product colors, different product angles to create a full mockup to set for your product listings. You can export the mockup images in higher resolution, and these are the images you will use in your product store listings to show customers what they are buying. Now, print on demand is also a form of work in mockup that you can work on with Adobe Express. When a customer orders a product with your artwork, the platform is going to print it and ship it directly to the customer. You receive the profit margin, the sale price, minus the platform's base cost without actually holding inventory. Now, the three primary platforms for artist merchandise are, you could say, Printful, which is the most widely used, pretty much. And I'm pretty sure you all have heard about Printful because it's one of the most widely used broadcasted product range platform with integrations with most major e-commerce platforms including Etsy, Shopify, and even WooCommerce. Now, Printful's print quality is consistently high, and their mockup generator or complements what you've done in Adobe Express. Then you have other platforms like Redbubble and Society 6 as well that you can use. Now, on your chosen platform, you can create an account, access the product portfolio, the price work, and you should be good to go. So, turning your artwork into products through Express and print on demand platforms requires preparing artwork at print resolution, creating professional mockups in Adobe Express. Now, the path from artwork to sellable products is an afternoon of setup work. The compounding benefit is that once your products are listed, the print on demand infrastructure handles manufacturing and shipping automatically for every sale. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.